Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you an iPhone trick. So I'm gonna show you how to make your video on Instagram nicer. So the object is gonna be on focus while the background is gonna be blur. So to do this, you go to Instagram. So example is if you take a normal video on Instagram, the background is not blurry, so nothing is on focus. So you close the app again and then you swipe and then you press the video effect and then make sure that portrait is on. So once portrait effect is on, you just have to go back to Instagram and the effect will automatically work. So I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.